Big Bear. Still. I'm worried about the road because it's gonna be snowing. We wouldn't be able to put on chains.
In standard soccer rules, how many soccer players should each team have on the field at the beginning
11.
of each match?
11?
Each team has 11
That's
players.
horseshit.
Yeah, baby!
That looks promising. That is pretty.
Here is the snow. Hot as fuck. I'm sure glad we got the tire chains because we can't put that out. That you.
Alright, let's take two.
I'm sure glad we got the tire chains.
No, I meant let's take two. Beautiful view. I mean, almost angelic. It's like God's country. It's the best view I've ever seen in my life. Also, there's mountains. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Boom Lake! Take me home to the place I belong. Big Bear, California. We're in Big Bear with the trees and that guy. Oh boy.
We are here.
We are here.
Yay, so pretty. It's our.
That's our little home away from home.
Here we're going in. Oh, it's good to be a girl.
We're here.
I like that we got so many warm stuff. Aw, that's
It's
sweet.
super cute.
It's bathroom. Nice.
I'm gonna hop in with my shoes.
Don't hop in with your shoes.
Wow. It's kind of a, like, oh my god, there's upstairs. But, oh, I didn't even consider there's not a bed down there. Ooh.
Aww. That's nice. That's
is.
just nice. Okay, so we're gonna settle real quick and get ready and go get some food. Some food. So we can see the lake from here
Oh, let's
and
go to the
everything.
lake.
We're going somewhere for sure. Well, that's what happened to people in the Big Bear Lake.
I think they died from the heat.
They have a dog.
Like, it's getting hot out here. I want to take my jacket off.
Do you want? We should have brought bikinis.
Yeah,
Oh, like swimming suits.
yeah.
You know, I was like when I was watching the pictures from Big Bear, like there's people who would like take picture in the like swimming suit in the snow, and I was like, how would you do that? And could totally do that. The village. Yay! Yay!
We should do this for the vlog. Like, on this beer, come this beer. Salud. Alright, say when.
When?
I'm not sure if I like this pizza or not.
It's good.
I mean, it tastes good so far, but I'm still working on it.
People looking at you.
You're welcome.
So we got our receipt, and here's our name on it. I wish we were here for Christmas because it's really pretty here. We are home. It was quite a walk uphill. It's 6 p.m. We're gonna watch TV. That's Conway blowing his nose.
Don't do that.
And then you got mad at me. Oh! And you turned me into a llama.
What? No, I did not.
Yes.
We are at the zoo. Conway wants to
We
sleep,
don't see
even though it's.
Damn fox.
I promised him a fox.
Butthole pussy fox.
I don't know if Fox knows that. Oh! Bear.
No.
Yes.
Oh my
Hey,
god,
bear.
I have never seen a bear before.
Me neither.
You
It's a
sleepyhead.
It's so huge. It's me and Bear. Oh, Foxy Fox. Oh my god! How cute! Call him. That's Paul.
It's like we're the caveman migrating with them.
Are they?
I think they're getting a little frisky.
Something's going on, definitely. Hi, Wolf. Oh my god. Ah, you are adorable. You're beautiful.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do
I
that?
didn't do anything.
Hey,
Hey, we're
Bro, stay
friends.
here, stay here.
I didn't do anything on it.
Conway, you did something.
Call the animals. But on the picture of the bear, you got Heidi and Paul Good. Total guess. Good job.
I did it.
You did it.
I guessed the bear's name. That was a nice zoo. Very sad. I don't know. I'm leaving sad. I wish I didn't go. I'm glad I saw the bears and animals and foxy folks yawning, but so we didn't figure it out. And we're gonna go and see if we can ask someone and maybe come back tomorrow because it's getting late. It's almost 4 because someone slept till forever.
It wasn't my fault that we didn't make it.
It was. It's no one's fault. So it looks like that's the only snow we get. Because all the tickets are sold out for today and tomorrow. Found it.
Big bear.
We're gonna try to meet a sunset at the lake. We
Looks
will.
like a huge snowman over there.
It does. So we're on our way back home from Big Bear. It was a good trip.
This take isn't working.
Well, that's fine. It wasn't a typical Big Bear trip because the weather was warm. The roads were awesome, which is nice.
I'm glad. I think it was better that it wasn't too snowy because I mean we still had snow. There was still snow where we wanted the snow to be. I think it's better the way we had it than if the roads were like covered, like if there was snow everywhere.
Yeah.
We hope to get our money back for the tire change.
That would be nice.
Yeah, let's try that. They haven't been even out of the box yet. So, but for our first time driving through the windy mountain roads, I'm glad they were clear.